Just going to do this short video to show you the awning shelter we've recently purchased. Used it a couple of times, but give it a proper test out today and show you what it looks like basically. So we've got a Volkswagen California, yes, excuse the mess. We keep it in our section at the back here. So the California allows you to keep your camping chairs on the top. This awning shade from Cysgod, I hope I'm saying Cysgod right, it's spelled C-Y-S-G-O-D, company from Wales, fits in this place perfectly. So I've just had a look on the website because I don't know myself. PU coated, 100% polyester, makes it waterproof. Little carrier bag's quite good quality as well. So pulling it out the bag, you've essentially just got one big flat piece of material with a cader strip along the top that fits into your awning channel. So what we're going to do now is put our awning out and then fix this onto the side. Show you how simple it is. Make sure your branding is on the outside. Then all we do is simply slip this end into that section up there, like this. We just need to peg it out. That's it. So you can now see, literally 5 minutes tops, getting the awning out and the shelter on. It's out and it's taut. One thing I do like about it is it's quite a heavy feeling material. It's not quite canvas, but it's we've had a few shelters before and they're really rustly in the wind. This isn't, it's a lot quieter. You know, you get that heavy canvas fabric feeling that you get, which is quite a quiet rustling, waffling. So it's ideal for keeping the rain off your pitch when you get out of the van. It's also ideal for keeping the sun off your pitch. We wish we had one of these last summer because it was red hot when we were out, and Oscar was suffering really bad. And obviously there's the privacy side of it as well. So I'm now under the shelter and you can see that next door can't see a thing, so we can have our door open without people looking straight into our van. Think, Oscar? Yeah, I've got 5 pegging points. I've only used 2 here because we're not expecting any strong winds. We are in a secluded location in the Cairngorm, believe it or not, but we are in a forest location. There's also bungee straps as well if you want to tension it a little bit more. But all in all, it looks an absolute peach. Dog will not sit still. The company's actually ran by 2 ladies, Jules and Anne, based in West Wales. So it's a small business, but they're doing a bloody good job of it as well. And the best bit is, it's only 100 quid. Now we got one of the smaller sizes. You can get 2 different length drops. We got the shorter length drop, so if you've got a taller van or you want it to project out into your pitch further, you get the slightly longer drop. But there's right up to 4 or 5 metre awnings, I think it is. I'll put our link to the description, link to the website down below. But yeah, with ours being a smaller van and quite a short van, we just went for the smallest size available. But 100 quid, can't grumble at that. We love it.